What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Today, I want to start it off with a very special announcement. We're going to SEMA! If this is your first time on my channel, this is my 2020 Toyota Supra. I've owned it for 3 years, and throughout the 3 years, there's been really 2 versions. This was version 1, and over the past 2 years, I've been working on version 2. For SEMA, we are starting version 3, which is basically the dream Supra. With every new version, you always got to start off with new wheels, and I just took delivery of my new wheels, and I'm super excited to show you guys. Over the next 3 weeks, we have a whole bunch of parts to install in the car. It's gonna go through a whole new revamp, a whole bunch of new parts, and I'm super excited, guys. SEMA is only 3 weeks away, and we got all of these parts to install, and all the parts here isn't even it. There's still a bunch of parts coming in. I hope everything comes on time. What I've been contemplating is, for SEMA, for the final version, do we keep the car black or do we wrap the car? But today, we're gonna meet up with all my friends. We're gonna review the wheels. Nobody knows what wheels I got. Let me show you guys the wheels. I'm telling you guys, the wheels are freaking insane. All right, you guys ready? Comment down below what you think the wheels are. I don't think anybody can guess the wheel and the finish. But ready? 1, 2, 3. We went with TE37 Sagas. In the new 19-inch, I've always wanted to triple chrome my wheels. And I finally did it. These were done by Devil's Works out in California. If you guys ever wanted to triple chrome your wheels, check out Devil Works. He is the king at triple chrome. Is chrome still cool? I say triple chrome the world. We're gonna go ahead and meet up some friends. Everybody's gonna come back, and we're gonna start the install in the CSF intake manifold. And while the car is up, we might as well put on the wheels and see how they look. I'm freaking excited. First stop, have to pump some gas. Expensive as hell. Well, we got the Supra, and we got Phil's Supra. The MK5 body style looks so freaking nice. I understand that it's really a BMW, but so many people hate on the Supra, and I can't find a reason why. They look so good, they perform so well, and they're pretty reliable. So kudos to BMW and Toyota. We're meeting up with some friends this morning to shoot all of our cars. So I want to capture the car one last time exactly how it sits before we start phase 3. All right, gas is all pumped, but I don't know if you guys can see Phil's Supra, but we just installed yellow DRLs, and this thing is the brightest DRLs I've ever seen. It's complete daylight out, and that yellow DRL is so freaking bright. Look at that. Holy moly. I've gotten to the point where I've owned the Supra for such a long time now where I'm ready to move on to the next project. But at the same time, I feel like I'm not done with the Supra yet. And there's still so much more potential for it. So during this phase, we are building the dream. Eventually, sometime, we will be doing a rotated turbo kit. I promise we will do a rotated turbo kit. We are actually picking up Maddie and Duncan. Duncan's so low, he can't drive anywhere. So we have to pick up both of them. And honestly, Duncan really wants to drive the Supra, and he's been driving the Supra a lot more than the M3. I wonder why. Happy birthday!
I saw the camera.
I was like, oh, my
I saw you crouching.
Happy birthday, Maddie. How's it feel to be 30?
It hurts.
Since Duncan was begging to drive the Supra. Just admit you like the Supra more than the M3, bro.
Okay, chill out. Okay.
Phil definitely has the best sounding Supra out of the whole gang, so. Oh. Damn, do I pull my stock seats back in? This is nice. My back feels so much more comfortable. How's your backs? Let me tell you, these seats are more comfortable for sure.
It just got real. Say how you feel. Got is mad. Yeah, that's too bad. Off of my dick, I got him stressed out. Look at me, I'm blessed now. Tell him I'm the best out. Giving nothing less. You guess to see my third eye. You see my halo. Untamed, no cage, ho. Clip it through the payroll. I'm about my banknotes. Good look, they taking those. What if we waiting on? It's what I prayed for, right? Black.
Give us a little blow off. This thing sounds too fucking good, dude. There's another Supra behind us, a white one.
Yeah, white.
Who is that? Clean Supra, bro! We made to this one spot that I've been dying to shoot at. And I've seen all my friends shoot here, but I have not shot the Supra here yet. And I want to get a shot here before we switch up everything on the Supra. What the hell? I've never been here. That is fire. Got done taking some videos and photos, ate some lunch, and we're about to be back at the crib to start the installs. We are gonna get the reactions of everybody here, and they're gonna get their first look at the wheels. Nobody has any idea what kind of wheels that I got. I think they're gonna go crazy.
Throwing shit right now.
It's me.
All right, we're all here. Pick this up. All right, you guys ready?
Is this the thumbnail?
This is the circle jerk.
Yeah. No, it's you should put it on the couch. Right?
Who's Paul Black?
Oh!
Better not be wrapped.
ESRs?
Bro.
Dude, ESR is getting so good with you.
Hey, chill, bro.
I didn't know team would
I didn't know Varstones are getting good.
Another reason, like, instead of wrapping the car, like, did these wheels on black.
silver on black.
Dude.
That's it, bro.
What the? Maybe. Oh.
Gucci bandana.
Dude, it clears the brakes a lot better.
Yeah, what the hell? You can actually see through it this time.
Yeah. Damn, that's not as baller.
It's still pretty fucking.
What do you mean it's not as baller?
No, you need.
No, the tight fitment was on the Z40s?
Yo.
Oh my god.
On the dollar bill, you need to put that.
Oh my god. I gotta tell Terox this.
Yeah,
No, only Vegeta complains that his wheels look too good.
Like, I kind of don't want to wrap the car anymore.
Black kind of fucks.
Yeah, dude, black fucks. Oh, yeah.
Hello. Hey, Poppy, can you give me a call? Thank you. Bye.
Alright, we're good.
Last night was
On this channel, we try to install everything ourselves, but when we can't, we have a friend who can.
I wouldn't say that
And then we got friends that morally support you.
Orally support us.
So orally support us. Yo!
last time that I saw you. Now I'm right here thinking
Dude, I got it right on time.
Yeah, cause last night was the last time.
Thank you, Chris Fix.
Will the car run again? Who knows?
Do you guys pee in the shower or before the shower?
In the shower.
Every time.
Okay! Hey, right?
Do it when you're in there with me.
Yeah, but, you know, I'm like...
Hey, is it weird when they pee in the shower though?
Would it be weird? I don't. Does that shit like go on your leg? Like, what is that? Like,
Yeah, straight down the legs.
Don't put this on the ball.
Last night was the last night. I won't ask why, but I'll ask why. Now I'm right here thinking, what am I gonna do?
Before you go, keep the car black, or what color should I wrap the car?
Black, 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 black. I like that answer.
What color?
Black cars matter.
Blue. Black cars matter?
Yeah, black cars matter. Yeah. Turn up.
It's Leviosa. Leviosa.
Neville, I'm really, really sorry about this.
And the intakes here.
Oh, thank you, Professor Dunk.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going?
Yep.
Alright, GG's.
Hold on.
Okay.
Are you ready to see the wheels?
Yes. Shut up! It looks so good!
Crazy, huh?
I love that you did chrome! Oh my god!
Friends, thank you for the support.
Till the next one.
Till the next one. Big shout out to Addy, though.
I got you.
Thank you, bro. I was nervous about getting this done.
Just in the nick of time.
Dude, just in the nick of time. Big things coming, y'all. Big things coming.
Let me pause the video, our movie.
Oh, here, put Tara in there too. You ready? You guys ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow. That looks insane. That looks so cool. Holy cow.
Bro.
You should have done that a long time ago.
Dude.
Yeah. Do you get the wheels?
Yeah. You want to see them?
Yeah.
Alright.
Damn. Look
Okay.
good. What are you doing?
Say the magic words first.
No.
One time, bro. Come on.
I'm gonna hang up.
No, go on, dude.
Nah, you gotta put that shit in the secret block. Me, cuz.
Vietnamese, yeah. Vietnamese, yeah. Vietnamese.
Damn. I've always wanted a like chrome or polished TEs.
Holy crap, that was a long ass day. I got a lot to get done in the Supra in little time. I really need to give a special shout out to Addison. If it wasn't for him, I would have paid a shop to do that job. And that would have been anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000. But we were able to get it done here. And this is the first stage to the final stage of the Supra. Not anytime soon, but eventually we are going to do a big turbo kit. And the manifold is definitely needed for that. I just want to go ahead and get it knocked out. It is a fine piece of art in the engine bay. I got so much planned for the engine bay this year. It's going to be good. Trust me, guys. I'm really debating if I should switch it up in this version, if I should finally wrap my car a different color or keep it black. What do you guys think? I am having a very hard time. Never did I think that I would modify a car to this extent. And holy crap, it is crazy. This is far more than what I could ever imagine. What started off as just vlogging my build turned into something way bigger. And this is all thanks to you guys. Honestly, all the love and support that you guys show in the comment section and on IG and everywhere just keeps pushing me to continue to take this further and see where it's going to take me. And I'm super excited for this journey. I hope you guys are too, but yeah. Thank you, all of you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe because this build's going to be crazy. Peace.
Now I'm right here thinking, what am I gonna do? Oh. Yeah, cause last night was the last time that I saw you.